With the new rig comes a new method of doing things. So I got the laptop out here and I'm making a checklist to go along with the new panel, which is pretty extensive now. And it's going to go on this door. So just to follow up, there's the Happy Place checklist. We ended up going through and adding a bunch of stuff to it. And so that all coincides with this. And little things like, you know, making sure that the shower door item or the shower door secure and items in the bathroom are done. And, you know, all the stuff. Things are really coming along with the rig and becoming pretty homey. So we're loving it so far. More to come. There'll be a video coming out real soon.